from consciousness. These are monthly energy updates which go out on YouTube. They're completely free. And messages from consciousness are channeled information, intuitive nudges, psychic insights. And I tend to tap into the energy of the planet and what's happening around to really give you a forecast of what to expect over the next month, and some tips, tools, and some ideas to really explore how you can navigate the next month. So let's look at the next month. So let's look at January. So January, the first thing that came to mind was fasten your seatbelts. So there's a massive speeding up of energy. Now, if you're sensitive, you'll already be feeling that. You'll be feeling that energetically through your emotions. Emotions will want to purge from the physical body. So if you're not feeling your emotions all over the place at the moment, you will be. It's rocky waters at the moment. And we're having to learn to navigate this purging of deep emotions that come from the collective. So you'll be feeling the emotions from the collective around you. So there's fear in the planet. As a sensitive, you will also feel that fear. So you may have a day where you feel really great and wonderful, and then suddenly crash bang on the floor, and you're thinking, oh my God, what is wrong with me? I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I'm lethargic, I feel angry, or I'm really scared. All these emotions need your presence to move through you so they can transform. So you'll be called to transform these emotions through your physical body. And they transform by presence, awareness, and love. So they need acceptance. And many of these emotions come from your ancestral line, because your physical body stores memory, belief systems, thought patterns. So there'll be increased level of sensitivity. You'll be becoming much more sensitive. So this is tapping into your multisensory abilities. We're all multisensory individuals. All of us have multisensory abilities. But for many of us, this has been shut down. Our creativity has been shut down. Our potential has been shut down because of societal belief systems that have been passed down to us. And this is the awakening. We're waking up literally to, why am I living this way? What's created my life the way it is? What's created my health, relationships, business? And I want to break free. I want liberation. I want to know freedom. I want to know more. I want to know possibilities. So we enter new timeline potentials. So there's so much that's going to break down, the structures crashing, and we have to let those structures collapse. External structures will collapse. Internal structures will also collapse. This is a good thing. This is the shake-up for new timeline potentials to come. So you'll feel this calling to act, to move into a new direction, maybe a new career, maybe move away, maybe build a business, maybe start a new relationship, maybe get a deeper spiritual connection with yourself. But you will be called to up level and move. If you don't, it will hurt in your physical body. It will get more and more intense in your physical body if you don't keep up with your expansion. So this acceleration is expansion. You're being called to expand. And the physical body has to go through that process in its own time. So this is where we can start to experience what I call energetic ruptures, where suddenly we feel energy pulsating through us, emotions erupting out from us. Nothing is going wrong. You're on track. It's part of the awakening process. So as you start to become more sensitive, your psychic receptivity is going to increase. So you may suddenly start to find you're downloading information. You're getting ideas. There's more synchronicities. You're starting to feel other people more. You're becoming much more sensitive to the food you're eating, to the gadgets, the technology around you. It will start to show up physically, mentally, and emotionally. You'll start to realize, I can't keep doing what I've been doing to myself. It's too much. It's frying my system. It's all too much. I need to simplify. You'll start to become much more conscious for other people's feelings and emotions. So you need to learn how to be compassionate and empathic without absorbing their feelings and their emotions. You need to be able to protect your energy so you're not just drawing energies in that aren't yours, because they pull your vibration down. So this is where you have to protect your light and make your own light sacred. And lastly, soul retrieval. For the next month, focus on connecting to your soul. Your soul is what is going to get you through the next decade of transformation on the planet. Otherwise, you will feel hit by it mentally, emotionally, physically. We're all going to be hit by it. So we have to have resilience. And resilience comes from a strong connection to your soul. So you understand you are the soul, which means the waves, emotions, feelings can ride through you, and you can be the observer rather than the victim to what's happening. So the soul empowers you, gives you resilience, gives you the hope you need to keep moving forwards and remembering nothing is going wrong here, no matter how it looks externally. This is life working itself out for the greater good. And there may be tragedies, there may be trauma, there may be a lot more, but this is where we need more people in their heart, in their light. It only will take 10% of the population to hold the light, to keep us moving in the right direction. So if people around you are in fear, don't join them. Observe your own fear, but don't go down with them. And this is where rituals and tools come in, and where self-discipline, self-love, and self-care are essential. And this is why health, well-being is on a high on the planet. So enjoy the journey of the next month. And I will take a clip of this and put it onto the YouTube channel if you want to refer back. But I will do a monthly messages from consciousness, which you can go to the first week of every month on the YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to stop the share for now.